To troubleshoot BMO travel rewards, start by understanding the basics of the program. BMO travel rewards are a type of loyalty program that allows users to earn points on their credit card purchases, which can be redeemed for travel-related expenses. First, check your account balance to ensure you have enough points to redeem for your desired travel reward. You can do this by logging into your BMO online banking account or by contacting BMO customer service. Next, review the BMO travel rewards terms and conditions to understand the redemption process and any potential restrictions. This includes understanding the points required for different types of travel rewards, such as flights, hotels, or car rentals. If you are having trouble redeeming your points, try checking the expiration date of your points to ensure they are still valid. BMO travel rewards points typically expire after a certain period of time, so it is essential to redeem them before they expire. Another common issue is that the travel reward you want to redeem is not available. In this case, try checking alternative travel dates or destinations to see if they are available. You can also try redeeming your points for a different type of travel reward, such as a hotel stay instead of a flight, to avoid any potential issues. Make sure to book your travel rewards well in advance, as popular travel dates and destinations may fill up quickly. Additionally, be aware of any blackout dates or travel restrictions that may apply to your travel reward. If you are still having trouble troubleshooting your BMO travel rewards, contact BMO customer service for assistance. They can help you resolve any issues and provide guidance on how to redeem your points. By following these steps and understanding the basics of the BMO travel rewards program, you can troubleshoot any issues and successfully redeem your points for your desired travel reward. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and plan ahead to ensure a smooth and successful redemption process.